This is our tree fort that we made, and this is our trench. Airsoft. And then I'm gonna go up into the tree fort now. And this is our view from the tree fort. This is a bucket that we use to get stuff. You can lower it to the ground. And then we can put something in it. And I'm doing it with one hand, so it's kind of hard. Yeah, and so that's that. Sorry. Yeah. It's a little bucket thing. That's our little playhouse thing. From here you can see most of the backyard where we put airsoft in. This little robe right here. You can whoa! Like, sit on this. And lean back on it. Don't want to do a lot of that because ooh, slipped. Yeah, and that's it.